everyone. Today we are going to make Chettinad Pepper Chicken in the dry style. First of all, let us clean and wash the chicken with salt and little turmeric. Then marinate the chicken with 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala. Then add enough salt. Add 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt to it. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste. Mix it very well. Cover it and keep it in the fridge for about an hour. Into a medium-sized pan, add in the cloves, cinnamon, cardamom and mace on medium to low flame. After stirring for a minute, add in the cumin seeds, fennel seeds and red chilies. Stir it well again. After about 30 seconds, add some bay leaves. Keep stirring till it becomes medium brown color. Let it cool for some time and put it in a jar and then grind it. In the same pan, add oil and add the chicken on high to medium flame. Cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. Turning over in between. Once it is light brown, take it out. In the same oil, add chopped garlic and ginger. After 1 minute, add curry leaves. Add in the chopped onions. Stir it well again. Add in enough salt. Once medium brown, add in the turmeric powder, add the Kashmiri chili powder, stir it well. Add half teaspoon of red chili powder, add in 3 teaspoons of coriander powder, stir it well again. You can add more according to your taste. Stir it until the raw smell of the spices go. Now, let us add the chopped tomatoes. Once cooked well, mash the tomatoes and then let us add the chicken and mix it well. Now you can add some coriander leaves. Stir it well again. Add some hot water to the bowl used to marinate the chicken and add that to curry. Stir it well and cover. Leave it cook for around 15 to 20 minutes on a medium flame. In between, add the garam masala and stir it well. We need to stir it well, otherwise it will stick to the pan. You can add more garam masala if needed. Add half teaspoon of pepper powder on low flame. You can add a bit more pepper if you want it more spicy. Stir it and cover. Now it is cooked. Turn the flame off. Enjoy your Chettinad Pepper Chicken in dry style. Thank you for watching.